Good morning. It's Friday, February 14th. This is the pre-market walkthrough for the S&P 500. We're looking at a 5-minute chart here. This price, the blue price, is a prediction point. The green lines, I drew those in. And let's just go back here and recap. Yesterday, we had our prediction point up here at 89.50. And we got all the way up here to, in the Globex, early in the Globex, we got all the way up here into 88.50. So we came within a point of that, which was close enough. Looked like they might come back up here. I think when I was doing the pre-market video, or the post-market review, I think they were somewhere over here, and maybe looked like they might want to come back up there. But since then, this has held. This 84.50 CPA has held. And then we've had a pretty decent sell-off. There's really been no news event, at least nothing I'm aware of, that has driven this down here. So really nothing with that. It just probably was due for a little bit of pullback, and this is not really that big of a deal. This is only about 10 points. So I'm going to pull this in here and have you see what I'm looking at. We'd use this, We never really used this over here. You see, we traded through it, and then we never came back to it. So it makes a lot of sense that they came back here to this 76 area. And then let's see what it's going to take next. So really, we need to if we can get back up above here, that would be a good sign for higher. That's a little bit of room, but we really need to get up above 84.75 and hold up above here, and then the next price we'd really need to get above this 88.5, probably more like yesterday's CPA even at 89.50, and get and hold above there. Whoop, wrong one. So somewhere, if we could get and hold up above this 89.50 area, that would be another good sign for the buyers. That would give us some room to run. Then we've got some prediction points up here, 94, 99, 50, then 04, 07 half. So here's the deal about today. We've had a pretty big push up this week. And it's really just going to depend on how much momentum is there. It's Friday. Monday's a holiday. So it wouldn't be, there's a pretty decent gap between this 84.75 and this down here 69.71. It wouldn't be at all out of the question that they just kind of trade between this area today and don't do a whole lot. So we'll see how that actually plays out. If they push it lower, then we've used this, and we've really used this, so we're really looking for that 69 area. Now, this should not come as a huge surprise. Below 69, you can see we have the CPA at 64.50. And then the next price is not really till 49.75. But the market had definitely been using, I mean, you can see this 60, well, yes, yeah, was that yesterday we had that 60 area. So something around there in that 60 area would be definitely something to look out for if we were to trade that low. And so pretty much the way this is going to go is that below 69 probably opens up at least to 60. It's really not ideal at this point. So below 69, if that happened, of course we have prices we have to get through, but we've used this. It's really not ideal that we would use any of that again. We haven't used this 45 area. And so below 69 in the bigger picture, if it's weak, then it could be all the way back to 45 area. if that area holds right here, this 69.71, or even this may hold, and then this may hold, and then we may push up, and then this may hold. But if we start coming lower again, that is for the CPAs down here. If we can hold up above here, push up above here, and then we need to hold up above here, and if all of that can happen, then we can look for, then there's those higher targets up there. So that doesn't mean that you can't trade it long up to here or here even. You just have to know that we've got to work through these. So kind of the top of the range would be here or here. That's kind of the top of the range. Above that would be a breakout. So this is a little bit of a minor breakout. This is still going to be important to get through up here. Then the bottom of that's going to be down here. So if you're looking to get long down around here and get short up around here, and right now we're right in the middle, so not the super ideal place to be trading it. And then if we break one of those, you have tried it with pretty little risk, and then we can trade it in the direction that we get a break. So there you have it for today, and we will see you in the live trade signals.